Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in this video we will learn how to permanently uninstall any app or any software in Windows 10 or in Windows 11. Sometimes we are facing the problem of low storage, for which we need to uninstall unwanted apps from our window, or if any software in our window has been corrupted and we want to reinstall it, so we need to uninstall it before reinstallation. For that we need to go to settings section of our window, and in the settings section here you can see the apps. Click on the apps list will appear here. These are the applications or the apps already installed in your window. Among these all softwares, I want to remove unwanted applications or unwanted softwares. Let's suppose I'm taking here Skype, and Skype is useless for me, or my Skype has been corrupted and I want to reinstall it. For that, I have to uninstall it before reinstallation. So I will click on the Skype and then I'll click on uninstall button, then again on uninstall. When I click the uninstall, then uninstallation process will be started. After completion of the uninstallation, you need to restart your PC. If you did not started your PC and started reinstallation of the same app, it will appear some error before you, because you have not started your PC. Your PC need to be restarted before the reinstallation of the same app. Or when you are facing low storage problem, until you did not started your PC, your storage will appear red. When you restarted your PC, your storage will be free here. If you like the video, subscribe the channel, share it with your friends. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.